So for creating the container and a volume group, we have to go to the storage. We go to the storage icon, click on it. So here next is storage container. So by default in Nutanix there are three default container automatically created. So this is a default container. Default container is a default storage container. It is mainly used for virtual machine storage. This is for Nutanix management shares. The Nutanix management share is reserved for the Nutanix management services. Now third is self-service container. It's used by the Nutanix self-service or automation environments. The storage container. This is the storage container. This is the volume group. So once we click the storage container, so we can type here. So this is the default tag. This is my container name. This is the container and this is the storage pool. So we have a default storage pool. We can select default and go to the advanced setting. Container. Suppose as we put here 10 GB. So 10 GB is reserved for my container from the default storage pool, and that's the advertised capacity. Suppose that we have 100 GB advertised capacity. Advertised capacity means that much of space we have used for creating the virtual machine. And these are the compressions, deduplications, and erase coding. So click on the save. So once we save it, so by default our Dhirendra.tech container is created. So this is the way how we can create the container. So